Your homeowner's policy covers a lot. It does not cover everything, and the gaps catch people off guard. Flood is not included. Ever. That comes from a separate policy, and you do not have to live on the coast to flood. Earthquake is not included either. Ask anyone in the Midlands who felt the ground move lately. We sit on more fault activity than most people think. Sewer and drain backup is usually left out too, and that cleanup gets expensive fast. And here is the big one. If your policy pays actual cash value instead of replacement cost, an old roof pays out pennies. A good policy should rebuild your home, not depreciate it. I am Ben Mauldin in Lexington. Let me review your coverage and tell you straight where you stand. Call or text 803-920-8827.